Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I will show you guys how to prepare eggplant sauce, so keep watching. For this recipe I'll be using 4 eggs, eggplant, you can use any eggplant of your choice, bell pepper, onion, tomatoes, chili pepper and green bell pepper, tuna and vegetable oil. So I'll be cutting this into small chunks and blend it off camera. So this is it. Eggplants, I'll be cutting the eggplant also off camera into small chunks. I'll be adding water into the eggplants. Cover for 15 minutes and allow it to boil. "15 minutes later, take it out from the pot and set it aside. So guys, if you don't have mortar and pestle, you can as well use wooden spatula to mash the boiled eggplants. So guys, this is it. So guys, in this part I'll be sieving out the pepper to drain out the water. There are two methods in this. You can either sieve it or boil it until the water is completely dried. This is it. In pot, add vegetable oil and allow it to heat up for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, add the chopped onion. Give it a stir for 1 minute. Next, add the pepper. Stir. I'm going to leave this to fry for good 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, in between that 10 minutes, you just give it a stir until it's completely fried. So guys, right now I'll be adding the eggplant. Stir until the mashed eggplants and the tomato sauce is well combined. Okay, it's all combined now, so I will leave it to fry for 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'll be using the tuna. Yeah, I will add tuna first before adding the spices because tuna is very salty. This is give it a stir. And this sauce, you can eat it with anything. You can eat it with bread, rice, pasta, potato, yam, plantain, anything of your choice. So I'll be adding 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of hot pepper powder, and 1 seasoning cube. Give it a stir. I'll be adding my eggs, 4 eggs. I'll leave this for 2 minutes to fry, and I'll come back again after 2 minutes to stir. Okay. 2 minutes later, give it a stir. Lastly, add bell pepper for garnishing. It's optional. Okay guys, this water I won't throw it away. This water away, I'm going to store it into the freezer. Later on I'll use it to cook beans.